I'd like to start this video by just expressing my condolences and my sorrow at hearing the passing away of Monaghan McGann, who was brilliant at promoting the Irish language in the public sphere, and was, had a great depth and wealth of Irish language knowledge. And I would have first met him. I'd only met him a couple of times. He wouldn't have any recollection of me. Maybe because of Pat Murphy, he might have. But my first interaction with him was years ago at the Galway Drama Festival when Cillian Murphy was doing that play. I think it's called something like Ballycally or something like that. Some play with Michael Murphy, and he was at and I chatted to him. I recognised him from the No Brainer. I was a little bit tipsy, shall we say, at the time, and he was a really charming, lovely guy. And I would have chatted him then several years afterwards when he was doing his Sea Tamagotchi thing with Poricus and Monaco, Pat Murphy from Auckland. I was talking to Pat today, and he was kind of reminiscing over all the work that he did with Monaghan, and just kind of quite sad that he'd passed away so suddenly and so young as well. And I think he had so much more to offer. But yeah, just first I would like to say that. And allying with that, someone had asked me earlier on in a video probably a couple of weeks ago, probably about a month ago, to discuss the difference between Chunru, Ru, Tilia, Tija, right? So Tilia, I have a hunch that Tilia is maybe the Connemara pronunciation of Tilla, Tuile, which is kind of like the flooding tide, flood, and we've a lot on the day because of the storm. I have to go check Wiktionary or check my sources for that. But Unru, it tends to be what they describe the tide as in Erris. So they'll say Tunru Tilla is the flooding tide where it's coming in, and Tunru Tlau, it would be the ebbing tide where it's going out. I think that's right, yeah, ebbing tide. And Ru then, which probably I suppose you would spell it as, because it comes from Unru, which I suppose if you go to Deneen, it'll be, well, it is in there in Changlan as like, there is a definition that allies with the Irish definition of it, but Unru would be Ru, would be the little waves, the little crests of waves that you see as the tide is coming in. So I hope that answers that question. Ariesje Gra Anam Jidish.